So hello guys, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show you that how you can unlock your Snapchat account if it is permanently locked or temporarily. So if you're facing that problem, then first of all you have to subscribe my YouTube channel to fix that errors. So without wasting any time, first of all you have to open your Snapchat. After opening Snapchat, first of all you have to give your email, and after that you have to give password. Your Snapchat account is permanently locked. So how you can unlock this? So first of all you have to open Google. After opening Google, here you have to write Snapchat support. Here you can see Snapchat support is a helpline of the Snapchat, so you have to click on it. After that you have to find the my account has been hacked. So here we go, it's in the corner, my account has been hacked. You have to click on it, and after that you have to select the option my account is locked. After selecting this, so here you can see here you unlock your account. You have to click on it. After that, here you have to give the username and password of your Snapchat account which is permanently locked. After that you have to give the password. So here you can see manage my account. Welcome Pagaya Stack. Here you can manage different aspects of your account. Please choose the action that suits to need from the following. So here you have to select the unlock my account. After that you have to scroll down and click on I am not a robot. After doing this you have to click on the unlock. Here you have to select your country code. I am from Pakistan, so I have to find the Pakistan country code. You have to find your country code. Here we go. After giving the number you have to click on the continue. So here you have to enter the verification code sent on your cell phone number. Here we go, I have received mine. Seven 700-724. After that you have to click on the verify. Here we go, successfully we have unlocked your account. Thank you for your patience. So if your account is permanently or temporarily locked, so you can unlock your account by this method. So if my video is helpful for you, then subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.